Everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to buy BRET directly on Coinbase Wallet. In order to do this, first of all just open up your web browser in your PC or in your mobile device, and in the search bar just simply search for coinmarketcap/currencies/BRET. Once done, you will be landed on the overview page of BRET, where you just have to scroll down, and here you will be able to see its contact address. So you just need to simply copy this contract address from here, and after that we just have to launch your Coinbase wallet. And once you are on your Coinbase wallet, you need to tap on the browser tab in the bottom, and then among the given swaps you just have to tap on Uniswap. Once done, you will be landed on the official website of Uniswap, where you will have to first connect your Coinbase wallet with it. In order to connect it, you will have to tap on the connect button in the top, and then you just have to connect your Coinbase wallet. After that, you need to select the network. So as we want to purchase BRET, it is on the base network. So you will have to tap on this drop arrow button, and you need to select the base network. You will have to tap on the select token option, and after that in the search bar you simply need to paste the contract address that we have just copied. So you just have to select the BRET coin and then press I understand. Then you need to enter the amount of Ethereum that you want to convert or swap into BRET, and after that you need to tap on this swap button and you are good to go. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.